reciprocate. How much can I be expected to tolerate? So I started to think about the plans I made the day unpaid, and you just can't call a spade a spade. I watched the moon, let it run my mood. Can't stop thinking of you. I watched you. So nice to know you. I'll be moving on. We started off in such a nice place. We were talking the same language. I open and I'm closing. You can't stand the thought of a real beating heart. You'd be holding, having trouble owning and admit that I am hoping. I watched the moon, let it run my mood. Can't stop thinking of you. I watched you. So nice to know you. I'll be moving on, moving on.
Weekend on the night, don't worry about a thing. Don't worry about a thing. Weekend on the night, don't worry about a thing. Don't worry about a thing. Don't worry about a thing. I know it'll be alright. Don't worry about a thing. Don't worry about a thing. Don't worry about a thing.
I'll take you to the future. Forget about the past. You can keep all of your secrets. I swear that I won't ask. Let go of all your troubles. I don't care where you've been. The only thing that matters now is where the night will end. Them bright big lights are shining on us. That beat is so tight, it makes you wanna get up, get down, like there's no tomorrow. Like there's no tomorrow. Like there's no tomorrow.